Here's how to make an extended hose for the Halo 1B griddle. So this is a Dawes Yant brand 12-foot stainless QC1 low pressure propane hose with a 3/8 SAE flare fitting, available on Amazon with the pressure gauge. Okay, now this is an MCAMPAS 1/4-inch RV / full flow style propane quick release connector to 3/8 SAE flare. Okay, now you don't have to get a 3/8 universal hose like I did. I just thought it would be easy to find this fitting locally available, and it turns out it is not easy to figure this out, and it's impossible to find locally. So what you need to know is this is a quick connect RV style / full flow style propane fitting. Okay, and you can get one of these hoses with the 1/4-inch built in, so you don't have to worry about a leak right there. But in my cursory search, I didn't find one that was stainless and 12 feet, so I went with this one because I also wanted a gauge built in, and that does work so far. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And check my other video for the low profile grease trap funnel tube trap. Works awesome. And by the way, I am very happy with this griddle. I freaking love it. So I hope that helps. That's what the QC1 low pressure propane fitting looks like, and that just screws right onto your propane tank. And I got a Flame King 5-pounder. Pretty happy with that. Alrighty, there you go.